delivery took 4 days with roughly 10,000 miles of flying. Here's what happened. The airline, Air Niugini, ordered the plane from Montreal, but the problem is this straight line distance is roughly 9,000 miles. But of course, the A220 cannot do that in one flight. So on September 11th, it did its first leg from Montreal over to the other side of Canada, Vancouver, a flight that lasted roughly 5 hours and was around 3,600 kilometers. The next day, the 12th, the plane took off from Vancouver, this time heading southeast all the way down to Honolulu, a roughly 6-hour flight and 4,300 kilometers in distance. And then just roughly 4 hours later, on the same day, it began its next leg, leaving Honolulu and heading the same direction as its last flight, all the way down to Fiji, a roughly 6.5-hour flight and 5,000 kilometers in distance. For whatever reason, it stayed in Fiji for a few days before finally taking off on its last leg, heading west all the way to New Guinea and Port Moresby, as I said. A flight of almost 6 hours, and that one was 3,300 kilometers.